What's going on, guys? Angelo here. Welcome to Snack Time. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make fried ravioli. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So for this recipe, you're going to need frozen ravioli as you see here. You can also use fresh ravioli if you want to do this, but for this one it makes it quick and easier, so we're going to do frozen ravioli. You're going to need a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, a cup of Italian breadcrumbs. Now we also just have regular panko breadcrumbs. You can use whatever breadcrumb you really like. A half a cup of Parmesan cheese, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a fourth of a teaspoon of salt. Now we have Himalayan salt, but I'm going to be using celery salt for this one just because I want a different flavor profile, and a fourth of a teaspoon of pepper. And for a sauce, you can use some marinara sauce. Now in one bowl we're going to put our flour in here, and then the other bowl we're going to do our egg and milk mixture, and the last bowl will be our seasoning. Alright, so pour your milk in here, and then we're going to whisk the egg and milk mixture together. Okay, now we're going to whisk this together, and then we're going to go ahead and start dipping our ravioli into each thing. Alrighty, so I have my ravioli here. Be sure that you preheat your oil. Heat up your oil or your deep fryer right now. That way it can be ready to go. But we have our ravioli. What I'm going to go ahead and do, we're going to start with the flour and end with your Parmesan breadcrumb mixture. Alright, so just dump them in here first. You're just going to coat it. Now dip into your egg mixture. Now we're going to coat in our breadcrumb Parmesan mixture. You want to try to get it all over, that way it can be super cheesy. After that, you're going to set it aside on a little baking sheet, or you can just put it on a piece of foil. Now we're going to repeat this process until you feel like you have enough ravioli. Alright guys, so this made 20 ravioli. As you can see, they're breaded nicely. We're going to go ahead and put them into the fryer now, and we'll see what happens. So this is fresh oil. We have it set at 350 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and dump them in here now. Like I said, I'm only going to do 4 of them at a time, and we'll see how they look. And that is how you make fried ravioli. Check this one out. It looks really wild, but they taste amazing. I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Don't forget to enable push notifications so you can stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. And until next time, you guys, peace out.